You ready? Okay.
Go.
What's up, my beautiful besties?
Hey, how you doing?
And this is our first show.
First show together.
And we are doing a seafood boil
MukBang.
Is it MukBang?
A MukBang.
MukBang, because, you know, that's how we say it.
Yeah.
So, what do we have to eat?
We have some crab legs.
I'm so excited.
We have some lobster tail. We have some boiled eggs, corn, and there's some sausage, mussels, and shrimp in this mukbang we have here.
And this is some cucumbers, which I love. And we have Bloves sauce. Yes.
That looks great.
Yes, and I made it.
Looks delicious. I can't wait to dip everything in it.
I am so excited. But first, I forgot to introduce us because you're like, who are we even watching?
Yeah. Well, I'm Easy.
And I'm Nene. And this is our
first
quarantine YouTube show.
Yep. So let's take a drink to that.
Yeah, let's drink. Hold on. I'm coming.
Don't get in the sauce.
No.
That's good.
That's good.
All right.
We about to get it in. I'm hungry.
Yes,
I cannot
starving.
wait. I cannot believe I'm about to have this sauce.
Yes. What are we gonna?
He always be like, "What are you watching? Are you watching something bad?" Like he thinks I'm watching something naughty, when it's like hearing the eating. You know, you hear the eating sounds and whatnot. But what are we gonna try first?
We're gonna. Well, I'm gonna get a shrimp. I want to try a shrimp. Yeah, like this shrimp right there. I really want to eat
the egg. Okay, get that one. I'll get this one. Which one are you gonna get? That one?
No, the one you got.
Look at this shrimp is huge.
All right.
They already took the shell off. Okay, here we go. I'm so excited. Honey, this is what I've been telling you about.
All
this
right,
is why I've been bugging you. What do you think? It's good, right?
It's good.
It's spicy.
I love spicy.
That's good, babe.
Got some sausages.
I really like that, babe. That's good. That's really good.
That's really good.
I want to taste this cucumber. He does not like cucumber.
No way.
But I'm going to get him to taste it. Honey, you have to at least try it. I'll try things I don't like as well.
I'm going to try the egg.
God, it's so good.
I'm going to try the egg in the sauce.
I'm going to try the egg without me. I want to try it too.
Try to get the sauce on it since it's...
That's why they bite it first and then they dip it back in. Ready? That's pretty good.
That's good.
Oh, it's spicy.
Ooh.
I'm making a mess. Oh, we were supposed to play a game. We were supposed to play the don't wipe your mouth challenge.
All right. Try now.
Remember? Try now.
Oh, man. Start now.
This is
wipe
really
my
good.
mouth.
Babe, that's so good. Oh, my God.
Oh, no. Don't break up in there.
But first of all, I didn't even bring over any paper towels. So we don't even have paper towels right next to us.
Oh, I almost wiped my mouth. I want this.
Hey, that is spicy. It's good. I really like the ginger in it. And we didn't have any pickled ginger. He claimed that he couldn't find it at the grocery store.
Non-existent.
Non-existent, nothing. Ain't nobody... It's a quarantine. Nobody's buying up all the pickled ginger.
Well, somebody did. Somebody did.
I don't know about that. It's spicy. I need this to cool my mouth down. I really want to eat some corn.
The mussel.
You know, that's my favorite.
Oh, man. The mussel with it was good.
With the sauce? I think you were right. I should have got the non-spicy one.
Mild.
But I have it in the closet, but I just didn't make it. All right, right now we were supposed to be doing the don't wipe your mouth challenge. So if you get sauce down your chin,
lobster tail,
whatever, you're eating it already.
I'm
You're just going in. without me. We're supposed to be eating it together.
We're gonna eat it together.
You already have it dripping down your chin.
I know, I'm not wiping my mouth.
Listen, you more rather eat the lobster. I'd rather eat corn. I cannot wait to eat this. Oh my God, you guys don't understand. This is delicious.
She loves corn.
I love corn. I wish it wouldn't get stuck in my teeth though, but I still love it. This is gonna make a mess, but it's alright.
I'll get the baby corn.
Remember, if you try to wipe your mouth, you're out. Honey.
Mm-hmm.
So you better not make a mess. This is so good.
That sauce is really good.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
This is what I watch all the time. And they have the big bowl of sauce. But this one is spicy. I want to taste the sweet one. I have the sweet one in the cabinet. I want to taste this corn. These corns is different. Let me see. Oh my God! You can't wipe it. If you do, you lose, and then you have to get tortured later. It's good.
Oh my gosh! Ooh.
They have different types of corn. Oh no! You can lick it. Oh, you can't even lick. You can't even lick down there.
Oh.
I want some sausage.
Yes, I was about to feed you this.
You were?
Yeah.
Let me see. It's good.
I want the shrimp.
That sausage is good.
We didn't even start the crab legs yet.
Boom. I'm already getting full.
You know me, I'm...
I'm telling you, next time you play, I'm going to make sure you have to eat slow. Because you usually eat really fast.
I'm not eating so fast.
You do eat fast, boy.
Right now, I'm not.
No, not right now. This
Woo.
is so good. I like this one, babe.
I hate cracking crab legs.
Let me tell you. We were supposed to be getting food from Ben's Crab.
Yeah.
And I told him, go early, go early, go early. He gets there and was like, what'd you say? Oh, complications.
I said, Houston, we have a problem.
Yeah, Houston, we have a problem. Houston, we have a problem. I'm like, what? He doesn't like to tell me when things is not going right. Oh, almost wiped my mouth.
Flips the script.
What do you mean?
She gets really mad.
No, I don't, babe. Stop it. No, I don't. But he's like, Houston, we have a problem. And I'm like, what is it? I told you to go earlier. And then I called a different restaurant. They had it. So he was like, okay, let's get it, whatever. But Ben's Crab did not have it, and I was not happy.
Yeah. And then the other one, both of them
It's
is closed
hot,
too.
babe.
Because I called Oceanside.
They was close too?
Yep. So I guess because of the quarantine, a lot of these seafood places aren't even open.
Really? Or they're closing early?
I don't know. It was only 4 something when I was outside for Ben's Crab.
Oh, yeah. You want to taste this, babe? Here, taste this. Don't say ill, babe. Come on. A little taste. A little taste. Go ahead. It's refreshing. Babe. It's refreshing. It's all on your lips.
Oh.
It's really good.
Not for me.
You don't like it? It's good. This sauce is good.
I think you should pick up your lobster tail. Take a little bite with me.
Oh, that was spicy.
Uh-huh.
Let's do the crab legs.
Ooh.
I told you it's spicy. Let's do the crab legs, babe, because my hands are going to get dirty.
Okay.
Hold up your hand of crab legs. We didn't even do a thumbnail. We're mad late. A thumbnail is like when you hold a piece of food and you smile at the camera like, you smile, babe. No, don't look creepy. Don't look creepy, boo. Just smile like you sexy. Like you sexy with the food. Like this. Boo, my wig. What are you doing? I can't deal with you.
Come on.
Watch the hair. Okay, ready? Smile like you're sexy with the food. Sexy. See, like that?
That was funny.
Mm-hmm.
Fine, let's eat a crab.
What's so funny? I love making him do things that's out of his comfort zone because you know what? He always make me do shit that's out of my comfort zone.
It's fun.
No, it's not. It's not fun. No, no, that's not my idea of fun. My idea of fun is spa day, relaxing, chilling, stuff like that. His idea of fun is skydiving, things like that.
That is so fun.
No.
So fun.
No, ma'am. No. No, ma'am. I don't think that's fun.
You had fun when you went into that ball.
At Atlantic City?
Yeah.
No, I didn't have fun. I was pretending. Because that was when we first started dating. I went to seem young and hip and cool because I was much older than him.
Ooh.
Oh my God, babe. That was good. I want to see how you enjoy it. Dip it in Bloves sauce.
All right, guys. Oh my God.
You can't wipe your mouth. Remember that, Mr. Greedy Man. Mr. Greedy Man. Shabba. Shabba. Oh, look at Beaks. Mr. Greedy Man.
That was good.
It was good. I'm going to do mine now. But I was saying, I forgot what I was saying. Nah, fuck it.
Wow, that one was good.
That was good, babe?
Wow.
You didn't even eat it with me. Don't you want to experience this with me? Greed
Yeah.
Mo. I can't open it. Usually I can open them real good. Because my brother taught me how to open them. But now I'm just getting this little piece of meat. But it's still delicious.
You get a big one?
We're making a mess, babe.
I know.
And you can't wipe your beard either. I don't think I have a problem with wiping my mouth because I like to get messy first.
Mm-hmm. Wait.
Too long. Oh my
Oh.
God, it's good.
Yeah.
The crab meat is sweet. And then the sauce is spicy.
Oh.
That's good. I want to try this now.
What's
You're
that?
still eating the crab?
Just one piece.
Okay. I wish. Oh, that looks good. I wish I could break that part, but I really don't feel like it.
I'll break it for you.
My dad always used to say, like, crab is a lot of work for a little bit of meat.
Mm-hmm.
I'm like, but it's so good, Dad. I'll break it out for you.
Did you do your lobster tail?
Huh, babe?
You said you're going to do your lobster tail?
Yeah. I'll have some of that.
Okay.
As long as they clean it,
prepared
I'm
mine.
good. If they don't clean it, I'm not eating it. Okay? I'm not cleaning it myself. I'm just not going to eat it. Because I don't like it like that.
Some of this.
What kind of sauce is that,
Garlic
babe?
butter.
Garlic butter. I have to make sure the shell's not still on it before you munch on it.
Yeah, mine's clean.
Is this clean? Uh-oh, look at that. Let's show me.
My mouth is on fire.
It is spicy. Let's dip it. Let's give it a good go. This is how Love do this.
Man.
Look at that. Let me tell you something. This is how she do that. Look at that.
Ooh.
That is ridiculous.
Hoorah.
Oh shit. Mm.
Mm.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, that's all my grace.
It's not even right.
Oh.
Good. Wow. Oh my goodness. I don't want to do this anymore. It's spicy.
It's
If you can't do spicy, do the mild.
Mm-hmm.
Because I'm really not a spicy person, but it's
Get
good.
me out of that. Whew. Do it again.
Whew. Whew.
Oh gosh.
Whew. With a water, babe.
Water.
Honey, I don't want to do this challenge. My mouth is messy.
I just like myself.
Honey, get the water, and you lost. You lost, so I'm losing. I can't have it dripping out my mouth. Boo, get the water right there. Whew. Whew, it's spicy. It's good, but it's spicy. All right. Ooh.
That was amazing.
Ooh. Can you open it, boo?
Okay.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Ooh. Oh my goodness.
Oh my God.
Ooh. It's like heaven and earth. It's like
it's good.
Pleasure and torture.
Yeah. I don't want to fill up.
Oh my God, babe. I don't want to play the don't wipe your mouth challenge anymore.
Well, I lost since I wiped my face. So you won. So that
yeah, so that means you owe me whatever I want.
Yeah, I guess so. Was that this?
No, I don't. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know, boy. I think I might barf.
Don't do it.
I might.
Not all this delectable food.
I ate too much. I was being greedy. I ate too much. The cucumbers look good. The crab legs look good. Everything looks good. The eggs look good. Oh.
Just want some more of these things.
It's really good.
And then I'm done. Right?
All right. Let's go back.
Woo, 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 woo. Should I put it over here?
Yeah, that's fine. I didn't even eat the whole apple. I just took a big, huge bite.
I finished mine.
Hey, Baba. You watching us?
Oh.
We MukBang. 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 Or is it MukBang? We're MukBanging. MukBanging. MukBanging.
Oh, man, it's good.
You know how you eat and then you just start to slow the fuck down?
Yeah. That's how I feel right now. I feel
my song.
I feel like I haven't picked up a piece of food in a while.
Listen, I'm ready to go to bed.
Where's the piece I'm supposed to have?
Let's say goodnight.
Ooh, excuse me.
Let's say goodnight to the people.
Good night, people.
Good night, people. Good night. Tune in, like, comment,
share,
share, subscribe.
Turn those notifications on.
Turn that bell on, baby.